Hey there, today we're going to look at how to fix the treadmill error code E2. So let's get started. First, make sure the treadmill is plugged directly into a normal 120 volts wall outlet, not a GFCI outlet, power strip, or extension cord. Over here, try switching outlets or moving the treadmill to a different room to ensure it's connected to a different breaker. Avoid plugging in other major appliances in the same outlet since they can cause voltage drops and trigger the error code. After that, if the treadmill is already plugged into a working outlet, you'll need to troubleshoot the control board and motor as these might need replacement. Then perform a control board reset. With the treadmill unplugged, disconnect the red and black motor wires. Flip the power switch on and off 5 times, reconnect the motor wires, and then power the unit back on to check if the error code is cleared. Over here, if the issue still exists, test the motor. Unplug the unit, disconnect the red and black motor wires, and connect them to a 9V battery to check for movement. Even if the motor moves, that doesn't always mean it's fully working, and further troubleshooting may be required. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next.